Going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Envista here. I'm going to show you how to pull up the cabin filter. It's going to be located behind the glove box door, so we're going to need to lower it. To do that, we're going to need to disconnect the damper first. Come over here and pull it, disconnect it like that. Now if we look right here, we have some stoppers that we're going to need to push the glove box door inward on both sides to get it to lower. Okay. Once you get it to pushed in like that, then it will lower down like that. And right here it says filter access door. Alright, now if we push this tab in right here, we can pull towards us. Push the tab in right here and pull towards us. We can take this door off. And if you notice that the glove box just fell down on me, it will come right off the hinge. It's made to do that. We'll put it back on here in a second. And this one's really new, so this filter doesn't need to be changed. I'm just showing you how to pull them out. All right, you can see this one's pretty cool, pretty clean. And so this back in here. Now notate that this is airflow, so when you get your filter, if it's aftermarket or a factory one, to put it in exactly how this one came out with airflow facing down. If you need one, I'm gonna have a link down in the description box whenever possible that will take you to Amazon and where you can pick up a new filter. So check that out. And get our door here, and it just snaps right back on. Kind of hard to do with one hand here, but I will get it. Snap it back on there just like that, and put the glove box back on the hinges. Okay. Like that. And all we gotta do is close it, and it'll stay right where it needs to be. And the damper just snaps right back on. To adjust it a little bit, and then close it up. Good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me.